This is every detailer's nightmare, and this is also very annoying to a lot of car owners when they see this on their car, especially when they look after their car. But there's only one way that I think you can avoid this happening. That's protecting it. I was able to bring it to just this level. Managed to sand a lot of the, I can't tell from just looking at it that someone have attempted to sort it out, but they rather made it worse because I could see the grit of sandpaper that has been used to remove it. If you don't see it early enough, bird poop, acidic bird poop, don't know what the birds eat before they drop, but these acidic ones are very dangerous to our paint work. The clear coat need to be protected. The clear coat protect the paint. Some people call the clear coat the lacquer. Is the same thing. It protects the paint. And using ceramic coating will protect the clear coat from things like this. When the car surface is compromised like this, there is literally nothing you can do with the exception of respraying, treating it and respraying to get a perfect repair. Sometimes, depending on when you cut the bed dropping, you will be able to repair it, but most of the time it is not possible. Like this case, I was able to minimize the effect of the dropping, but nonetheless it's better to protect the car with ceramic coating. The service of protecting all the flat surfaces, and just protect the flat surfaces just so that you don't have these issues, because these issues normally happen on the flat surfaces. So just a piece of advice, the only way to resolve this is to protect the car, because you just don't know what time the beds drop. Even if you're watching it 24/7, you just don't know. Unless you're watching it 24/7, you just don't know when the beds decide to do their business. So this detailing, or this is a short video to bring to your attention these kind of things, and the only way to protect your car from having these kind of issues is to protect the car with ceramic coating. Ceramic coating is very good, or the other option is to use a wrapping to wrap the surface, so that when the beds drop, or when the acidic contents attach to the vehicle, you'll be able to wipe it. Unfortunately, this is something that I believe the only way is to ceramic coating all the flat surfaces, at least the flat surfaces. This is where we managed to get it onto. We couldn't go any further. That's the repair. DetailingLaw, if you need a ceramic coating, give us a shout and we can come and resolve it for you. DetailingLaw, this is how we do it. Just bringing to your attention that sometimes not all repairs can be resolved. And as a detailer, if you are a detailer, please know when to stop, because the further you go with trying to repair it, you will compromise the clear coat and the lacquer. You will compromise it, and there will be literally no protection, which will cause further problem to the surface of the vehicle. Thank you for watching. If you like it, subscribe to the channel for more videos. DetailingLaw, this is how we do it. Went through the levels of fine grades from 1,000 grades all the way to 4,000 before polishing the surface to get the result that we did. And this is where we were able to stop, because if you go further, you will compromise things. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Detailing Law, this is how we do it.